Hello sheep friends, welcome back to BRG. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. My husband and I have a small farm in south central Kansas and we are breeding up Australian whites. Today we did our weaning, and so I wanted to show you guys really quick a little makeshift setup that we did. We have about 90 ewes and about 90 ewe lambs, 100 ewe lambs, or not ewe lambs, 100 lambs that we weaned today. We did castrating another previously, like a month ago, and we changed our setup just a little bit, but I wanted to show you guys if you have under 100 lambs, something that you guys could do to just kind of make something up at your farms without buying a full system. This worked for us this time. Next year we will definitely have to have something else, some other kind of system. I mean, this works, but it's just definitely, as your numbers grow, you need to become more efficient with your setup. And yeah, about 90 ewes was kind of our limit. Last year, I think we had about 30 ewes, and you can just kind of wrangle them in cattle panel or in hog panels and make that work. 90 ewes was definitely a step up, making sure that we had some kind of facilities. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys this, and then you'll have to subscribe to make sure that you see what we get next year. And hopefully it is not the same system. These panels are made by my husband though, so hopefully we can use them in our future system setup. We would like to have it mobile, so we could like put it out in the fields. We are looking at a few different options for like a three-way sort and different alleyway systems. So when I get that, or when we purchase something, or if we purchase part of it, it will be on our channel. So make sure you guys look out for that in the future. Let me flip this around and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so if you guys haven't seen our previous videos, all of our setup is for cows. We have had cows on this farm forever. We're slowly transitioning to sheep. We will keep cows, but right before we made the decision to switch, my husband put in a bud box system, like his own kind of version of a bud box system. It wasn't completely perfect, but that's what all the gates are about. But I can kind of show you guys what we did here. I do have a video of us actually putting a few lambs at the very end through this, so it's not going to make sense right now. I just want to show you it, but I will leave that clip here in just a second. But we have our corral over there, and then we would run them into here, have a group of them, about 30, and then this gate was closed. All sorts of stuff, sorry guys. Anyways, you'll be able to see it in the video. That gate was closed, and then they were able to funnel up into this little area. The reason I want to show you this though is that it doesn't have to be perfect. So we knew that we needed some kind of an alleyway and then a way to stop them. Last time we didn't even have this gate. We just had this panel behind me and just put it up here so they would have to stop. But just this little thing, my husband made these out of hog panels, welded pipe, and then put some feet on them. And then here, before we like I said, we didn't have this gate here for weaning, or sorry, for castrating, but then he put it on here. And I mean, it's nothing fancy. This is a farmer style weld job, and this we were able to have like 5 ewes and some lambs in there, stop them here, figure out if we needed to worm anybody, or I wrote down all the numbers just because I like to keep track of stuff. And then we would let them come down this way, and then just had a sort of lambs on this side, and then the ewes went on this side. So this is the other panel that we used as the alleyway that went right here. Yeah, okay. We are at our last group here. Let those other ones go back. But I wanted to show you guys what we're doing. Let me get some tag numbers and I'll be back. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this. This is we do not have a system yet. or a working facility. So we made one up. But if you're in a pinch and need a redneck system, this would be one to do, or an idea of how to do it. So we have ewes over here, lambs over here, since we're weaning. Lamb? Okay. So we're moving this solid panel. There we go. I'm gonna put this back. Sorry, I don't have a tripod to show you guys. Okay. Just a makeshift system. Okay, so you guys saw that little clip of how we were running them through. Sorry, it was kind of shaky, and it's just hard. If I don't have a tripod ready, then it's not gonna get filmed, because, and just farming in general, it's hard to like, okay, pause everybody. I know we're doing really good on our flow, but I need to get a different shot. So sorry that it was like that, but you guys at least got the idea of what it was. Yeah, I feel like the thing that I just want to stress to people is that you need something for as your numbers grow. And like I'm saying, I always try to like help you guys along as we grow, but like 90 ewes is definitely the cutoff of like next year we need to figure something out. Have some kind of three-way sort, and the three-way sort definitely won't work in here because we have to have, you know, a way for them to go straight, and then two catch pins. So yeah, we'll have to whip it into gear, but one thing at a time. But I hope that helps somebody out, and yeah, I appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys in the next video.